happen so that you can understand. Once the court reporter begins to read back, she's going to turn her back to you and read from her computer. We can have no breaks or stops during that because she's going to be reading and not able to make a record. So she can't do the two things at once. She will read through the portions that you've requested completely. The way that will work is she will begin by saying, question by Mr. Riasti. Then she will just do question, answer without saying who it was. If there's a break, for instance, if there was an objection, she will say objection by, and then an answer by, and then go back, question by Mr. Riasti, and then it will resume, question, answer, question, answer. I give you that format so that you'll understand as you listen to it and not get lost. Those of us do it every day, that we understand that, and I want to be sure that you do too. Does that make sense? Anybody have a question about that process? Now, we're reading, the court reporter will read this back to you. As you're listening, if you reach the point where you believe you need some part of that read again, then write that on a piece of paper and give it to raise your hand and give it to the bailiff, and we'll then have the court reporter read that portion back again before you leave. Right? So if you have a specific place that you wish to hear again, then write that on a piece of paper, give it to the bailiff, and we'll look at that and have the court reporter read that back again. Not something outside of this. If there's something outside of this, then you need to retire to the jury room and write out a separate request, a very specific what that might be. Okay? All right, we ready for the readback? Now, one last thing. This is not the court reporter's strong suit. She's good at making a record. She's not good at reading in public. So just give her a little room here, okay? All right, Madam Court Reporter, you may begin the readback.
Okay, question by Mr. Riasti. Did you take a deposition in this case? Did you sit for a deposition in this case? Answer, yes. Question, were you sworn in on that deposition to tell the truth? Answer, yes. Mr. Riasti, if I may approach the witness, Your Honor. The court, granted. Question by Mr. Riasti. If you could read lines 20 through 25 and then 1 through 9 out loud. Answer, question. Mr. Gomez, objection. The court, sustained. Question again by Mr. Riasti. If you could just read that to yourself. Answer, okay. Question, is it true that, go ahead, sorry about that. Question, was that your sworn testimony at that time? Answer, it looks like it, yes. Question, do you recall making those statements? Answer, yes. Question, and in that deposition, you stated that, you stated that you remembered Mr. Meeks striking Mr. LADSON in the face with the pool cue. Is that correct? Answer, yes. After he shot him, yes. Question, Attorney Noakes asked you whether or not you knew whether or not the striking in the face was before the shot or after the shot, and you answered it may have been. Is that correct? Answer, well, my best recollection would be from the information I gave that night. But like I said, he shot and then he was hit, and then Meeks hit him with the pool stick. Question, but you mentioned that Mr. LADSON grabbed the pool stick from Mr. Meeks and struck him after he shot him, and question, it was almost simultaneously. As soon as he shot him, Mr. Meeks hit him with the pool stick. Obviously, it was to protect himself. Question, so Mr. Meeks hit him with the pool stick and not Mr. LADSON take the pool stick from him and striking Mr. Meeks? No. Answer, no. As I said, Mr. Meeks hit him. Question, and could it have been that he struck him in the face with the pool cue and then the shot went off? Answer, no. I don't believe it was like that. He shot around and Mr. Meeks hit him with the stick and then I rushed him. And that's where I was told this. And then Mr. Rossi then asked to approach to get the transcript. So that's the end of that.
Okay. All right. Is that satisfactory, members of the jury? Anything else you'd like to hear, any portions repeated? Okay, you may retire to deliberate.
All rise.